What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I just want to show you guys this deal, a great deal that these guys at Obbey, Amazon seller, have. It's a really awesome deal with 750 milliamp hour batteries, and they're advertising these batteries being specific for MJX 1S series quads, multi-rotors. But these can be used with pretty much anything that takes this size battery. Let me open it up. Take one out the pack. I already have opened one up and I put it inside the MJX X400. And these things work great. They actually work better than the original battery that comes with it, in my opinion, being that it's a little, these batteries seem to be a little shorter or something. They're not thinner. They are as thick, if not thicker, but they're a little shorter, so the wire and all fits inside the battery bay, whereas usually I have to have the ends of the connectors sticking out of that little hole. Let me show you guys. This is the MJX X400, by the way, and as you can see, these batteries, everything, they fit all the way up inside and allows for the battery posts and wires to all fit in there with it. You can easily just cram that in there with it. I was unable to do that easily with the battery that came with this thing. So I think that's awesome. These things fit better and they really work well. They give it a lot of power, just as much as the original, if not more. It seems like it's a little more punchy though, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I was just having a lot of fun with it. And I did fly it. The name there, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't have the light from my phone on. Let me try to get it to focus. Come on, focus. There it is. So Obbey. And I will have the link in the description where you can get these things on Amazon. And it comes with 4 batteries, and it comes with this 4-in-1. This is actually a 5-in-1 charger, I think. There's 2 there, 1 on the side there, and there's 2 here. So you can actually charge 5 batteries at a time with this, but it only comes with 4 batteries though. And it does come with 4 of these adapters here. So if you have one of those high-tech chargers, you can charge these batteries on that as well. If you want to use a more hobby-grade charger that you might have. And it takes the micro low-C connector. So here it is here. Micro low-C. They supply you with 4 of those and 4 batteries. So let's go check out the flight I did with the MJX 400 with these batteries. Okay, so I'm out here with the MJX X400 with that replacement battery from Obbey for 1S series MJX quads. And so we're gonna fly this thing, test it out. It's fully charged. And we're gonna fly it with the Devo though. So the Devo should definitely push this thing to its limits. Let's see, I don't even think I turned it on first. So let's just get right into it. Get it cracking. There you go. The sun's blinding me. Sheesh. Gotta remember not to turn that way. Plenty of power. This thing is awesome. MJX X400. Check those funnels out. Bank and turn. Come back between these trees. Bank around again. Funnel right in front of us. I can't remember if I have flips programmed on this thing. Let's try it. Nope, no flips programmed. We do our awesome funnels, yo. And bank turns. Such an awesome flyer, man. Whoa. Race the band. So the batteries definitely work well. Definitely. Oh, in the trees. Somebody said, one of the viewers said, he hit trees all the time. And he was asking me, do I hit trees? And right after he asked me that, I hit a tree the next video. And I just hit a tree just now. Let's see if we got blinking lights. No blinking lights. Let's do a dive bomb. Woo! Do a still pass. Woo! One more. Oh, it feels like it's getting a little sluggish. Let me see. Yep, we got flashing lights. So that's it. This thing is awesome. And the batteries work.